Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Pardot AI email automation for B2B campaigns. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Pardot AI email automation for your B2B campaigns, begin by logging into your Pardot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the main menu. From the drop-down, select Emails. Click on New Email Template to create a new template for your campaign. Choose a suitable layout for your email, such as List Email or Engagement Studio Email. Once you select a layout, fill in the required. In the email content section, add your desired text and images. To enable AI automation, look for the Automation section within the email settings. Toggle the option for Enable AI. You may need to provide specific parameters, such as audience segments and sending preferences. Next, set up triggers for your email campaign. You can decide to send the email based on user behavior or specific time intervals. Make sure to review your email settings thoroughly to ensure accuracy. After confirming all the details, click on the Save button to store your changes. To test your email automation, send a test email to yourself or a team member. Monitor the test results for any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, you can schedule your email campaign or launch it immediately. Keep track of the performance metrics to assess the effectiveness of your AI automation. Adjust your strategies based on the data you collect to optimize future campaigns. This is how you enable Pardot AI email automation for your B2B campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.